auxiliary engine, when shutdown takes place, does it only shut down because that could lead to blackout, or does it automatically also transfer to the next engine immediately, so that this first engine which is faulty can go off load?
See, if the situation is bad, then you don't take chance. Blackout is still tolerable. It keeps happening on bad ships. Once in your contract, twice in your contract, you may see a blackout. But if you don't stop the engine, because this is again, it's not a slow speed engine like main engine. It's a medium speed engine, and the time is very short. You have to stop the engine quickly, right? So anything extremely bad, stop the engine. In the meantime, the command is given to additional generator. Okay, please start and take the load. But by the time you have to stop the generator, so there might be blackout for some seconds.
I hope from this technical workshop you must have got a little bit idea ki how this workshop works and why it is important for you to go through those dreamer package, visionary package, achiever package, electrical package, and never to shy away from investing on yourself, because in the long run that is the only thing that pays. So if you want faster promotions, if you want respect on ship, whether you are a marine engineer or an ETO, electrical officer, these packages on Merchant Navy Decoded website are meant for you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata.